In this video, we will discuss what is differential equation, what is its order and degree, what kinds of differential equation are there, how to solve the differential equations, right? Different types of differential equations. First come to definition of differential equation. What is definition? The equation which involve derivatives or differentials is called differential equation. The equation which involve derivatives or differentials is called differential equations. The equation which involve derivatives or differentials is called differential equation. Come to example. dy by dx equal to sin x. This is a differential equation. Second bit, sin x dx plus cos y dy equals to 0. This is another example of differential equation. Come to next. Del u by del x plus del u by del y is equals to 1. This is another differential equation. What is del? It is the partial derivative of u with respect to x or with respect to y. What is u? U is the function of x and y. What is partial differential equation? Partial derivative, the derivative which equation which differentiate partially. If it is contain two variables x, y, then derivative with respect to y, treating x as constant, called del u by del y. Means in case of the function contains more than one variable, then differentiate with respect to one variable, treating another as constant is called partial derivative. गोटे फंक्शन जदि x, y, z एमती अनेक वेरिएबल इन्वॉल्व हेतिबो ताले गोटे वेरिएबल ले डेरिवेटिव नबा अदर वेरिएबल को कांस्टेंट नेले दैट डिफरेंस डेरिवेटिव इज कॉल्ड पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव. नेक्स्ट कम टू kinds of differential equation. First bit, ordinary differential equation, and the second is partial differential equation. What is ordinary differential equation? The equation which involve the single independent variable called the ordinary differential equation. The equation which involve single independent variable. Look at in dy by dx. There are two variables involved here. dy by dx, two variables. Y is one variable, x is another variable. Derivative of y with respect to x means change in y with respect to x means the change in y depends on the change of x. So y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable. Y is the dependent variable and x is independent variable. X is the independent variable, right? Now come to the definition of ODE. This is ODE and this is called PDE, partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, ODE. The differential equation which involve single independent variable is called ordinary differential equation. PD, partial differential equation. PD, the differential equation which involve more than one independent variable, more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation. Is called partial differential equation. Let us see. Come to one example. Which one is partially differential equation? Which one is ordinary differential equation? Look at example. D square y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus 5y is equal to 7. Second bit, del square u by del x square plus del square u by del y square plus del square u by del z square is equal to 0. Look at here the x is one independent variable, denominator variable is the independent variable, upper variable is the dependent variable. Here is x is only independent variable, but in this case there are three independent variables, x, y and z. So this is the partial differential equation and this is the ordinary differential equation. So this is ODE and this is the PDE, partial differential equation, right? So this is the difference between ordinary differential equation and partial differential equation, right? Now come to order and degree of the differential equation. Next heading is order and degree of the differential equation. Order and degree of differential equation. Look at, in this case, d my by dxm whole to the power n. What is the order of this term? Order of this term. This is order. And this is degree of the differential term. This term has degree n and has order m. This is order of a term and this is degree of this term, right? Now come to what is the order of differential equation. Order of differential equation is the highest, is the order of highest ordered term of differential equation. Order of the differential equation is the highest order, is the order of the highest ordered term of the differential equation. Differential equation में जो term रो order highest ହେଇଥିବ सेटा differential equation ର order ବୋଲି ବୁଝିବାକୁ ପଡ଼ିବ, right? The degree of the differential equation, the degree of differential equation is the highest integral power of the term which determines order, provided that the derivatives or differentials are free from transcendental functions. Which functions are transcendental functions? Trigonometric functions, logarithmic functions, inverse trigonometric functions, exponential functions. Trigonometric functions, logarithmic function, exponential function and inverse trigonometric functions, right? This is the degree of the differential equation. आउ थे कहूँ जो टर्म ऑर्डर हाईएस्ट हेइथिबो सेटा ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन बोली बुझिबा पड़ो। डिग्री का कहबा डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इज द हाईएस्ट इंटीग्रल पावर ऑफ द टर्म व्हिच डिटरमिन्स ऑर्डर। जो टर्म रे हमें ऑर्डर चिन्हितबा तारी पावर इंटीग्रल हेतिबो इंटीजर हेतिबो ताहले दैट विल बी द डिग्री ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन प्रोवाइडेड डेरिवेटिव टर्म्स आर फ्री फ्रॉम logarithm functions, free from trigonometry functions, free from exponential functions, all this डेरिवेटिव टर्म रे logarithm, inverse trigonometry, exponential फॉर्म रे नथिबो ताहले हमें ताको कहबा डिग्री ऑफ द differential equation, right? Come to one example for this. Example, this is equation, differential equation, order, degree. First bit, d square y by dx square whole to the power 5 plus dy by dx whole to the power 10 plus 1 plus y is equals to 1. Look at here, d square y by dx square, d by dx, d power 1, d power 2. Which one is highest? 2. तो order as equal 2. What is degree? जो टर्म ऑर्डर से नोट कला तारी पावर टाउ डिग्री कहबा एडी d रो पावर 2 अछि तार पावर 5 अछि तो 5 आसीबो 10 दिले भी हिपेरिबो काहे कि ना दिस टर्म डज नॉट शोज अस डिफाइन अस द ऑर्डर ऑफ द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन एई टर्म रो हमें डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन ऑर्डर खोजु ना एतु खोजु सेकंड बिट d square y by dx square whole to the power 5 by 3 equals to 1 plus dqy by dx cube whole to the power 4 whole to the power 7 by 2. Right? Here the power is not integer, so we make it to integer form. It power 3 achi 2 achi 3 to LCM is 6. We multiply by in the power 6 to make it integer. So d square y by dx square whole to the power 5 by 3 into 6 equal to 1 plus dqy by dx cube whole to the power 4 whole to the power 7 by 2 into 6. These cancel. So d square y by dx square whole to the power 10 equal to 1 plus dqy by dx cube whole to the power 4 whole to the power 21. Now tell me what can be its order and what can be its degree. Look at here the d power is 2, here the d power is 3. So order of this differential equation is 3, highest is 3, and that term and the degree of integer power of this term must be the degree of the differential equation. Here the power d power is d square power is 10, but it is here the power 4 to the power 21. Binomially, when I expand binomially, it will be 4 into 21. 4 into 21 is 84. So order of the differential equation is 3 and degree of the differential equation is 84. This is in the first video